Have you ever wondered what if Vincent Van Gogh created a mandala? Well, that's the inspiration of this video. Today we will be doing Mandala Challenge Vincent Van Gogh style. Challenge is mostly inspired by the famous Starry Night painting of Vincent Van Gogh. We will try very hard the elements of the paintings to our mandala. This is my first attempt and I am very excited about it. So there you go. Here is our mandala piece inspired by the starry night of the great Vincent Van Gogh. This is my first, but I will definitely do more of this challenge in the future. Thank you and please keep watching Pinoy Mandala. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Salamat!